Welcome back to the Weakest Link. Gentlemen, so far out of a possible 1 million pesos, ang nabank ninyo, 43,000 pesos. Dito sa head-to-head, Reggie and Benedict, I will ask you each 5 questions alternately. Ang pinakamaraming tamang sagot will be acknowledged aming strongest link at siya mag-uwi ng 43,000 pesos. Huwag kayong magmadali because we have no time limit. Reggie, dahil ikaw ang aming strongest link ng huling round, you have the option to choose kung sinong mauuna.
I'll go first.
Reggie, your first question. Ayon sa tradisyon, anong European capital ang itinatag sa isa sa mga 7 hills?
Netherlands.
That is a wrong answer. The correct answer is Rome. Benedict, your first question. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng FAO? Isang United Nations Specialized Agency na itinatag noong 1946.
Food and Agriculture Organization.
That is a correct answer. Reggie, ano ang pangalan ng mythological winged horse na anak ni Poseidon at Medusa?
Pegasus.
That is a correct answer. Benedict, sinong reyna ng England na anak ni Henry VIII, ang reigning monarch nung panahon ni William Shakespeare?
Queen Elizabeth I.
That is a correct answer. Reggie, ano ang pangalan ng Roman military governor na nag-convict kay Jesus upang maipako sa krus?
Pontius Pilate.
That is a correct answer. Benedict, ano ang popular na pangalan ng estatwa na natagpuan sa isla ng Melos noong 1820?
Venus de Milo.
That's the correct answer. Reggie, aling syudad ng Japan ang unang binagsakan ng atomic bomb?
Hiroshima.
That is the correct answer. Benedict, anong 1978 na awitin ni Debbie Boone ang kanyang best-selling hit na nakatulong upang manalo siya ng Best New Artist sa Grammy?
Goodbye Girl.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is You Light Up My Life. Reggie, anong grupo ang naging bida sa pelikulang A Hard Day's Night?
The Beatles.
That is a correct answer. Benedict, to force a tie, you must answer this next question correctly. Ang pelikulang ito ang tumalo sa The Wizard of Oz para sa Academy Award for Best Picture noong 1939.
A Streetcar Named Desire.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Gone with the Wind. Reggie, ikaw ang aming strongest link. You take home 43,000 pesos. Benedict, you go home. Good luck. Join us again when we play The Weakest Link. Goodbye.
In this game, you have to be ruthless to be rich. And in this game talaga, I was not only the strongest, I was the ruthless link. So at some point, I had to betray everyone just to be rich. And it's all part of the game.
There's no reason for Reggie to rejoice. Kasi sobrang tsamba lang talaga yung pagkapanalo niya.